It is very easy. This is what you are going to do. Watch this video from beginning to the end. Then after that, drop comments. Drop it in the comment section that let's connect. Let's people connect with you. If you don't watch a video from beginning to the end and you comment, YouTube would shadow ban you. Like, you just click on the video, you play little, you like, you comment, you go to another person's page, you do that, you go to another person. YouTube would shadow ban you. They will think you are robots. But when you watch the video, like it, drop comments, just drop. In this, we are starting here. On this video, drop let's connect. Anybody that comes here, when they watch the video, they will also connect with you. You too, you would connect back with them. That's the code. Everybody would get what they want if we can work hand in hand, if we can understand ourselves. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, I'm Dimple Beauty and I talk about growth on YouTube. The fastest way to get subscribers on YouTube is by posting your video, both your long form video, your short, and when you go live. That consistency is what works best on YouTube. So the more you post, the more subscribers you will get. So if you have not started posting, start posting today. Anything that can easily skyrocket your channel is by posting. When you post, there is no how. You must get like 1 or 2 subscribers. So start posting consistently. That is very, very important. And when you go live, that going live helps a lot. When you go live, that is why I used to say you should try all your best to hustle for your first 50 subscribers. Once you get that 50 subscribers, you can easily start going live. So try to work on getting your first 50 subscribers, start going live. That live helps a lot. It really helps a lot. Another thing is by building community on other social media platforms. Don't just stay here on YouTube. Don't just build community only on YouTube. Build community everywhere. Post on social media. Post on Instagram. Post on TikTok. Post on Facebook. Build fans there. All those people, you can easily bring them to YouTube. Yeah, by sharing your content. When you just share like 15 seconds hook from your video to Facebook, to Instagram or anything, you can easily tell them to please watch the full video on YouTube and they should subscribe to your channel. Those people would come. That is why you should not stay in one place. Any content you're shooting here, post it on other social media platforms. Post it on TikTok, on Facebook, on everywhere. And these people, they are very easy to bring to YouTube the moment you have them. So please don't forget to share your content. And I've explained on how you can share your content to other social media platforms. You are not doing that immediately you post. It takes some time before you can share your post. Don't forget, and I have a video about it. You can check it out in my description box. You're going to get a lot of subscribers if you can apply all of this by posting consistently, by sharing your content to other social media platforms, by commenting on people's posts. You're going to get you 1,000 subscribers in like a flash. I did a video about how you can easily get your watch hour. You can check it out in my description box. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love you.